If I told you that making $10K per month without a single employee is not only possible in 2025, but easier than ever before, D probably think I'm exaggerating. But the truth is, the world has changed, technology has changed, the internet has changed, and the opportunities to earn a full-time income as a one-person business are bigger now than at any time in history. In this video titled How I Make $10,000 Month Alone, No Staff Needed, I'm going to reveal exactly how this is done, step by step, with 0 employees, 0 office, and 0 headache. I'll break the system down in a way anyone can follow, even if you feel like you're restarting from scratch. And trust me, once you understand the mechanics behind this, you will never look at money the same way again. Before I show you the exact method, I want you to stay with me till the end, because the final strategy I'll share is the one responsible for at least 60% of the $10K month one generate consistently, and most people never even think about it. It's the kind of method that works quietly in the background, automated, scalable, and perfect for someone who wants to stay independent. So don't miss that part. Now let me start with a simple truth. You don't need a team to build a profitable business anymore. You just need the right systems, the right tools, and the right digital assets. The old mindset that you need employees to scale died the moment AI automation and online platforms became mainstream. Even big influencers with millions of followers run lean operations with 1 to 2 helpers, or none at all. And the idea that solo entrepreneurs can earn $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, or even $50,000 a month is not a fantasy, it's becoming the norm. So let me walk you through how I personally hit the $10,000 month mark, month after month, with no staff. The video title, How I Make $10,000 Month Alone, No Staff Needed. ISNT. Just a catchy phrase it. Exactly how I lived. And the crazy part is, I spend less time working today than I did when I was broke, and working 8 to 10 hours a day for someone else. The first thing I realized is that the internet rewards skills, not teams. You only need one skill, monetized in multiple ways, to turn into a $10,000 a month engine. When I started, I didn't have money for ads, I didn't have connections, and I didn't have a fancy setup. All I had was one monetizable skill, and the internet. That was enough. And that brings me to the core of this strategy, the one-person digital business model. This model works because it leverages 3 things: high-income skills, automated delivery, and scalable platforms. And once you combine these, you're unstoppable. When I began, the market was already saturated, or at least, that's what people thought. But saturation is a myth. People are always looking for better solutions, faster answers, more relatable creators, and cleaner systems. And if you can provide that, you win. So the first step I took was identifying a skill that people needed and were willing to pay for. And here's the secret. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be better than someone who is too busy, too lazy, or too overwhelmed to do it themselves. That alone puts you ahead of millions of people. Once I had this skill, I built microsystems around it. Not heavy systems. Not complicated funnels. Simple, automated systems that let me earn without doing everything manually. And every dollar I made, every client I landed, every product I sold was done without hiring anyone. All because the systems replaced the staff. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people think earning $10,000 a month means thousands of customers. No, with the right high volume but low competition niche, you can do it with a small audience, a small product, or a small client list. For example, you can make $10,000 a month with 10 clients paying $1,000 each, or 20 clients paying $500, or a digital product selling 10 times a day at $34.95. There are dozens of ways to reach the number, but the key is leverage. This is where the title, How I Make $10,000 a Month Alone, No Staff Needed, truly comes alive. Because once you understand leverage, you stop trading time for money. You start trading solutions for money. And solutions scale, even if you're alone. One of the most important shifts that helped me hit this income level was switching from skills that require time to skills that create assets. Assets are digital products, templates, guides, systems, automations, memberships, things that take time once but pay you many times. When I built my first digital product, I didn't know if anyone would buy it. I didn't have a team to help me. But once it was ready and the right keywords, high-volume searches, and low-competition topics were aligned, it started selling even when I was asleep. And that's where the magic happens. Your one-person business starts making money even when you're not actively working. You wake up to sales. You get email notifications about purchases. You get inquiries for services that you can deliver using templates. And all of this without employees. Let me give you a behind-the-scenes glimpse. When I create a digital asset, I use the highest trending keywords on Google Trends, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy. Keywords like Make Money Online 2025, Digital Business 2025, Passive Income Ideas, How to Earn 10,000 Months, No Employees Business Model, Solo Entrepreneur Income, and Automated Online Business. These keywords attract millions of searches, but with the right long-tail approach, the competition becomes surprisingly low. And that's where I dominate. But the reason this strategy works so well is emotional connection. People buy from people they relate to. They want someone talking directly to them, not a big company. They want authenticity, not corporate branding. And that's the advantage of having no staff. You stay human, you stay real, you stay personal. Once the revenue hit $10,000 a month, everything changed. I didn't need employees. I didn't need an office. I didn't need unnecessary expenses. My profit margin stayed over 90%. And that's the beauty of a one-person business. You keep almost everything you earn. I want to tell you something important. You are far closer to earning $10,000 per month than you think. Most people stay stuck because they underestimate how powerful the internet is. They think success requires a big company, a big investment, or a big team. But today, your smartphone, your laptop, your creativity, and your consistency are more than enough. The title, How I Make $10,000 a Month Alone, No Staff Needed, is a reality that anyone can reach if they follow the right system. If you feel lost, overwhelmed, or unsure where to start, you're not alone. I felt the same. Everyone does. But the breakthrough happens when you realize that the only barrier between you and financial independence is clarity. Once you learn the system, everything becomes simple. And because you're watching this video, you're already ahead of most people. Most never seek information that can change their life. They waste hours scrolling. But you're here learning how to build a one-person business capable of generating real income. You're not here for entertainment. You're here for transformation. That's what separates winners from spectators. As we reach the end of this video, let me leave you with this. The world is shifting in your favor. Solo entrepreneurs are thriving. AI tools are doing the heavy lifting. Demand for online skills is exploding. Digital products are selling at record levels. And your opportunity to earn $10,000 a month without employees is not just possible, it's realistic. If you want more videos like How I Make $10,000 a Month Alone, No Staff Needed, make sure you subscribe, because my next video will help you build the exact blueprint you need to scale even faster. For the next video, visit the channel now.